This is the door. Hello? Is anybody home? I'll just come in. This is too hot. This is just right. Jessine. Just a minute. We're getting ready for our next scene. Yes. Just a minute. We'll only be a minute, okay? This one's fine. There. This chair is too soft. This chair's too hard. This chair is just right. Let's put all this thing. We're getting ready for our next scene. Come back here. Oh, no, wait, we don't need that one. Wait, we need that. Just a minute. We're just getting the next scene ready. It will take a minute for us to do this in between scenes, okay? We're only kids. We can't do that much. At once, honey. This bed's too soft. This bed is just right. Next scene. No, we don't start with the bed scene. There. No, not yet. Just a minute again.
Who has been eating my porridge? Who has been eating?
Go ahead.
Who has been eating my porridge?
Who ate my porridge and they ate it all up.
Let's see.
No, seriously. So we're just gonna have those scattered. We're gonna have them scattered, not made. Yeah. Oh yeah, they have to be scattered.
Who has been sitting in my? Who has been sitting in my chair?
Who has been sitting in Mom's chair?
No, this is your chair.
Yeah, but I'm asking who's been sitting in my mom's chair? Who's been sitting in my mom's chair? Who's been sitting in my chair? And they wrecked my bed!
They wrecked your chair.
And they wrecked my chair! This one will be a little short, okay? Colin, you do your first.
Who has been sitting in my? Who has been laying in my bed?
I've been laying in my bed. And they're still in it!
All right, take your bow.
End. The end.
Take your bow.
Bow.
There you go. Okay, good.
Now we want to see it.